cap this guy. Slow lane D, baby.
Hey, clip that when I pass him.
Alright guys, we're going to take the H2 out on the track and see what it do. I'm super excited. We just checked the tire pressures. The tires are cold, so I'm going to have to take a little bit of time to kind of heat them up. We don't have a lot of time. We got like 15 minutes left in the session, so we'll do like 1 or 2 warm-up laps and then we'll get into it. This bike is not a track bike. This is a straight line bike. We're putting down over 300 to the crank. You guys saw the dyno video of this bike. I think it made like 270 to the rear wheel, and that dyno reads pretty low, so this is going to be insane taking on the track. But let's get out there. Enough talking.
Hey, where do you want me to get? Just right there?
Wherever you think will be best. Yeah, I guess we can get the flyby. Yeah, and get some pictures right there of me just tucking. I want to get some leaned over pics though too.
I mean,
that's gonna take a couple laps though for me to get warm.
We went like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, all right, I'm going. What time is it?
I don't know.
That is not right.
Flybys or you want turns? I think the flyby looks cool.
All right, let's do that.
And you just fucking try to hit 200, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, let's do that.
Brakes. The brakes good?
I'm gonna be chilling.
No, I'm talking about 200.
Yeah, no, hell no. Maybe we'll see. Let me get out there. We'll see though. I'm gonna try. Alright, Nina, let's have some fun. This feels so wrong right now. So wrong. Holy cow. I gotta warm these tires up. This bike is not made for this. Holy cow. It's so twitchy. That is such a twitchy throttle right there. Oh my, the pops and bangs. Alright, Nina, talk to him, girl. Yeah, those brakes, It's so on-off, the throttle. Those brakes are garbage. Holy cow. This warm, I don't know what I'm saying right now. This is such a visceral experience. This bike is so loud and so heavy and so fast. God dang, Curtis.
About to gap this guy. Slow lane D, babe.
Hey, clip that when I pass him.
Got the whole track, D. Use it. That's what Lance always tells me. Use the whole track, baby. There we go. was just like, what the f is that? Hell yeah. I love that thing. Part of me wants to get another one as a track bike.
How was it on track? Did it do good? Was it okay?
It actually did a lot better than I thought it was going to do. Honestly, yeah. The acceleration is just nuts. Like, just past everybody. It's not even like a competition, bro. Just going around everybody. It's so much fun. But it actually turns pretty well. Oh yeah, I blew right past him.
I was like, the straights on that motherfucker is probably
So much fun. Yeah, I'm fine. The traction control is kicking on.
Yeah, no, you was pushing.
That shit loud as fuck.
What the H2 sound like?
Kind of hanging with it, but that's supercharger.
Yeah, no, you can't. In the straights?
It's light, but it's light.
Yeah, hell no. It's not even competition. I always tell people going from this bike back to 1000 is like a 600 1000. Like, it's that big of a difference.
How did it feel on the track?
It actually felt really good. Like, I just got to upgrade the brakes a little bit. Oh my gosh, bro. That's a MotoGP bike. Did you get any pictures wheeling? Okay. I figured it's too far.
She was like, you need the vest, I had to run back over here, get a vest, and then run back over
That's
there.
why I couldn't go over there. That's why they couldn't use it.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go out on the track one more time with the H2 so George can get some more pictures and videos. Shout out to him. I hired him for the day so that I could actually kind of enjoy the day. Usually track days are kind of stressful because I'm trying to make a video while also enjoying, but it's hard to enjoy if I'm making content because kind of like work, but brakes are terrible. Holy cow. Holy cow. Dude, I'm exhausted. He's fucking rolling, bro. Shit. That helped though to see your lines.
Yeah, so what I noticed on you,
Yeah.
it comes from riding the road, is that you're right, like the track isn't the road. So you're riding the track and letting the track ride you back. So you're going on every, like you're following the road as it goes.
Yeah.
Creating straight lines.
So you don't want to use the whole, you kind of just want to be a little bit more, like hit the apex a little bit better?